Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make my 13 Lego puzzle box. And if you don't know how to solve it, you can go and check out my channel. I have a review of it and I will show you to make it right now. Okay, so you want to start off with a 6x10 base plate, and you want to put some bricks and then smooth piece here. So you want to pause the video and make that. Okay. So you want to take a 1x4 smooth piece, put it right here, and then just put some smooth piece on top of the bricks. There. So just put some smooth piece on top, and you wanna take this key. It is 2 stud long, like this, 2 stud long, and you wanna put it right in here. I think you're going to put this key later in, and so this. So it's a 1x3 plate and a 1x3 smooth piece just stacking on top of each other. It will go right here. Need that later. And your prize box. And the reason why I make it like this, that it don't have a brick here, is when you slide this out, you could pull it out easier for this. If you don't like it, you could do your own design. So this is a 4x4 plate, a 2x4 plate, and a 1x3 plate, a 2x3 plate, and a 1x1 plate. You could shape it like that, and then put some bricks on the side, not in the middle. Then in the middle it is some smooth piece, and here some smooth pieces too. This box will go right here. Need that later. And of course, you want to put your prize in. Here, my Lego prize. You could put a coin as well. There. And then the roof part is a 6x8 plate, smooth piece on top. You don't need that as well. It's just for design, and 1 layer of bricks in the under. Then this piece, you're gonna take a 1x10 and another 1x10 and a 1x6 right here. Yeah, I think this is a 9 Yeah, so yeah, it's actually 9, sorry. Yeah, you wanna put it right here, but it actually don't exist, the 9. So you wanna take a 1x6 bricks and a 1x3 bricks, mix a 1x9. So put this under right here, and this, very easy, 3 layers of bricks. 3 layers of brick. It's a 1x9. And then put it right here. Right here. Oops. There. And now this piece, a 1x6 and a 1x6 and 2 of this 1x2 bricks. No, 2 of this 1x2 bricks as well. And a 1x1 plate, a 1x2 plate, a 1x2 bricks with a 1 hole in there, and 2 of this 1x2 plate. Put it right here. Now, okay, this piece, a 1x4 bricks and a 1x4 bricks with 3 holes another one before bricks and a one before smooth piece. Take this piece, 2 stud longs, put it right here in the middle. Now take this piece, snap it into this hole like that, spin it, and then put this piece right here. Make sure this piece right here should line up here like this. Come on. Okay, there. Now you want to take this key, put it right into here. There. This key, slide it right in here. Now your price box, put it right into there. So yeah, that is how you make my 13th Lego puzzle box. I hope you guys enjoy, and bye bye.